Welcome back. VNA Community Healthcare and Hospice wants to take the stress out of preparing to see your healthcare provider.
Joining us on CT Style is Marketing Manager Abigail Storiali. Thank you for spending some time here on set.
Of course.
Thank you.
So we really have to kind of prepare for these conversations with doctors.
We do. And, you know, in honor of March 30th being National Doctors Day, we're encouraging people, show your provider your appreciation and get prepared for your appointments, not just because it's good for your provider, of course, to maximize the time that they have with you, which is always limited, but also it's really beneficial for the patient because you make sure you're getting the quality health care you deserve and you're getting all your questions answered.
That's true.
Sure, and there's a whole list of screenings that you can go through this as well.
Yeah, so one of the big tips we offer at VNA Community Healthcare and Hospice is to take advantage of one of our free services. We cover 35 towns in New Haven and Middlesex counties, and throughout that territory we have very many weekly and monthly free Ask the Nurse clinics, and you can come in and you can have your vitals checked, your pulse, your blood pressure, your weight, but you can also sit with a registered nurse and talk about setting lifestyle goals, healthy lifestyle goals, and preparing for these appointments. And some of the tips that they're going to tell you is make sure you write down your questions ahead of time. Write down your symptoms ahead of time if this isn't just a well visit. Have up-to-date medication lists and insurance information. Take notes and make sure you're asking follow-up questions. And if that still seems overwhelming, don't be afraid to bring a family member or a friend. We call these people caregiver advocates. And they can help you make sure you're getting the big picture.
Tell us about the wellness education programs.
Yeah, so we run classes in addition to these free Ask the Nurse clinics. We run exercise programs both in our Guilford and Hamden locations and in multiple community and senior centers throughout our territory. And we run wellness education programs. So that's things like living a heart-healthy lifestyle, memory matters, understanding dementia, just a variety of topics. We do Dodge diabetes, things that are wellness and health related, and making sure that the community is getting the information they need to be in the best health possible.
Well, it's great that you're doing such great work here in the community in Connecticut. So if some of our viewers want to learn about some of those classes or screenings even, where can they go to learn a little bit more?
Go to our website, vnacommunityhealthcare.org, and visit the community care section. You can learn about that, and you can learn about upcoming events we have, such as April 16th is National Healthcare Decisions Day, and we'll be hosting a panel at Evergreen Woods in North Branford to talk about advanced directives and other decisions you have to make on your healthcare journey.
Great advice. Thank you so much for joining us today. We appreciate it.
A lot of resources there. We're going to have more CT Style coming up in just a little bit. Our friend Megan Yost is going to be joining us just after this short break.